Hello everyone and welcome to Delsquare Photovideo YouTube channel. This is my first official video here on YouTube. A little introduction here so that you know me a little bit better. I'm an aviation professional, enthusiast, and plane spotter. Aviation photography / plane spotter has been my hobby since I was a little kid, somewhere around, I would say, 9 years old. So in this channel, you will mostly see aviation related videos. You'll see some wildlife, you'll see some street content, like street photography and stuff like that. You can see some of my pictures I've posted in different websites. Some of those websites are in my channel description under the About tab. While you're there, you can check out some of the gear I use. I've made a list and I posted it in there. So now I've done aviation photography and basically, I'm not gonna say I've mastered it, but I'm pretty experienced with doing aviation photography and stuff. But I wanted to try some videos. I wanted to do some videography. And this is a start. This is the very first time I am actually trying it out. Now that you know that, this video obviously will not be perfect. Nowhere near perfect, since this is my very first try on it. But just know that this is my best attempt on it. I give it my best try, considering my limited editing equipment, which is just my phone with Adobe Premiere Rush. Well, enough said. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the video and give me some feedback. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and also subscribe to the channel so that you can see the next videos I'll be posting. Now let's watch my very first video here. See you guys. So just like that, this is the end of this short video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and yes, I know the music at the end was a little bit exaggerated there. I just wanted to give it this epic sound. So yeah, I'll be editing some more videos later on. See you guys. Good one.